Hello kids! Today we are going to explore amazing sea animals and learn what they do in the ocean. The ocean is full of life and every animal has an important role. Let's dive in. A whale is the largest animal in the ocean. It lives in deep waters and eats tiny sea creatures like plankton or small fish. Whales help keep the ocean balanced by controlling the food chain and even helping nutrients move through the water. A dolphin is a smart and friendly sea animal. It swims in groups and communicates using sounds. Dolphins eat fish and help keep fish populations balanced. They are also known for helping each other and sometimes even helping humans. A shark is a powerful predator in the ocean. It eats fish and other sea animals. Sharks help keep the ocean healthy by controlling the number of other animals and removing weak or sick ones. An octopus has 8 arms and is very intelligent. It can change color to hide from danger. Octopuses eat small fish and crabs, helping keep the balance in the ocean ecosystem. A squid is a fast-swimming sea animal with long tentacles. It can squirt ink to escape from predators. Squids are an important part of the food chain, as they are both hunters and prey. A stingray has a flat body and glides smoothly through the water. It lives near the ocean floor and eats small animals. Stingrays help keep the seafloor clean and balanced. Tuna is a fast and strong fish that swims in groups. It travels long distances in the ocean. Tuna helps maintain balance by eating smaller fish and being food for larger animals. Salmon is a special fish that can live in both freshwater and saltwater. It travels long distances to lay eggs. Salmon helps bring nutrients from the ocean to rivers, helping other animals survive. A clownfish is a small, colorful fish that lives among sea anemones. It has a special relationship with them for protection. Clownfish help keep their habitat clean and safe. A grouper is a large fish that lives near coral reefs. It eats smaller fish and helps control their population. Groupers are important for keeping reef ecosystems balanced. A turtle is a sea animal with a hard shell that protects its body. It moves slowly and eats plants or small animals. Turtles help keep ocean plants and ecosystems healthy. A sea turtle spends most of its life in the ocean. It eats jellyfish and seagrass. Sea turtles help keep the ocean clean and maintain healthy seagrass beds. A crab has a hard shell and strong claws. It walks sideways and lives near the sea floor. Crabs help clean the ocean by eating dead plants and animals. A lobster is a sea animal with a hard shell and big claws. It lives on the ocean floor and eats small animals and plants. Lobsters help keep the ocean ecosystem balanced. A shrimp is a small sea creature that plays a big role in the ocean. It eats tiny particles and helps clean the water. Shrimp are also an important food source for many animals. The ocean is full of amazing animals, and each one has an important job. Together, they keep the ocean healthy and balanced. Which sea animal do you like the most? Let's keep learning and exploring. Ocean, fish, turtle.